Yes. Okay. My dear students, look after this question, all of you. Have a look at on the blackboard, all of you.
Yes.
Look here. What is saying? The HCF. The HCF of two numbers is 38. That means, what is saying?
The HCF of two numbers is 38.
That means HCF is 38. He was given HCF. Okay. HCF is 38. Two numbers HCF. He found the HCF of two numbers. What are those both numbers? We don't know. Okay. What are those two numbers? We don't know. But he has found the HCF of those both numbers. Then he got 38. HCF is 38. Okay. The solution, my dear students, HCF is 38. HCF is equal to 38. Okay. He has given HCF. All of you, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Come on, let us read again. And their LCM is 98,154. Their LCM also given.
Yes, sir.
So look here, LCM is equal to 98,154. That means two numbers HCF he has given. So he has given HCF of two numbers and LCM of two numbers. And what he was given? If one of the number is 1558. One number given. One number is equal to 1558. Okay, one number is 1558. So then he is asking, find the other number. The other number is. Okay. So he has taken two numbers. Two numbers he has taken. I am explaining the question. Okay. Look here out. He has taken two numbers. What are those two numbers?
We don't know.
You don't know, but one number given.
Yes, sir.
What is the one number? 1558. Okay, this is the one number. Okay, this is the one number. Understand? He has taken two numbers. The first number is 1558. The other number we don't know. What is that other number? We don't know. He found the HCF of these both numbers. Then he got 38. After the finding HCF, he has found the LCM of these both numbers.
Yes, sir.
Then he has found 98,154.
LCM.
Okay. Once he has found HCF. Once he has found LCM. So when he found the
LCM.
HCF, then he got 38. So when he found the LCM, then he got 98,154. So one number given.
Yes, sir.
Then what is this other number? He is asking that question. Okay.
Yes.
He is asking that question.
Answer, sir.
All of you, did you understand the question? Huh?
Yes, sir.
So when you will understand the question, then only you will do the solution. Okay. So let us discuss this question, all of you. Let us discuss solution. Our question is, the one number is given, the second number is what? He is asking. That means other number is equal to dash. Question mark. He is asking other number, the second number is what? He is asking. Okay. So we know that our formula is the product of the two numbers.
Two numbers also multiply.
Okay. So we have one formula for it.
Yes, sir.
The product of the two numbers is equal to HCF into LCM. HCF into LCM. You have that formula. So my dear student, look here. Before of that, we have discussed one formula
Yes, sir.
in the before problem. What we have discussed? LCM is equal to the product of two numbers. The product of two numbers by HCF.
Yes.
So this formula is very important.
Formula.
Look here, all of you. This formula is very important. So you can make three formulas by using this formula. If you know this formula, you can make formula for this solution also.
Yes,
You can make formula
yes, sir.
for this problem also.
Yes, sir.
If you know this formula, otherwise not. Look here, how to make. So he has given HCF and he has given LCM. What he is asking? One number also given. The other number he is asking.
Yes, sir.
That means the two numbers are here. The product of two numbers. He is asking the product of two numbers. So you want this. Then this HCF send this side. LHS side. Left hand side. This is equal symbol. My dear students, have a look at on the blackboard. This is equal symbol. Equal symbol left side numbers are called LH. Yes, that means left hand side. Equal symbol right side numbers are called RHS. Right hand side. LHS, RHS. Okay, so now you can send a HC of this side. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so then what you will get? Here HCF is dividing here by HCF. Means dividing. This side multiplies.
Multiply.
When this side it is dividing, this side multiplies.
Multiply.
When this side multiplying, this side divides.
Divide.
Did you understand?
Yes.
So here it is dividing, this side multiplies.
Multiply.
Okay, so that means what will happen here? LCM, here it is dividing, this side multiplies. LCM into HCF. Multiply. See, this side multiply. Okay, so what is left here?
The product of
The product of two numbers only left. Already HCF I sent LHS side. HCF I sent LHS side. So you have left here the product of two numbers. Okay, let us write the product of two numbers. This is our formula. The product of two numbers is equal to the product of two numbers is equal to LCM into HCF. This is our formula. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So now you can use this formula. Look. Now you can use this formula. Okay, I am writing this formula here. The product of two numbers. The product of two numbers. The product of two numbers is equal to LCM into HCF. This is our formula. Okay, let us substitute in this formula. This is our formula. Okay, let us substitute in this formula. He has given some values. Okay, so let us substitute those values in this formula. First of all, what he was given here, the product of two numbers. Let us write two numbers product. What is the first number? 1558. Product means into. Do you know one more number?
No.
Don't know. So let it be x.
X.
Let it be x. Okay, I am writing x. The second number I am writing x. Okay. So otherwise you can write any number. So okay. So you are looking like this. Huh? So why x only? So now you can choose any number. Understand? Okay. For suppose n. Okay, so I am saying n. This number I am saying n. Understand? Okay, let us continue here. See, the first number is 1558 into the second number is n. Okay, look here. The product of two numbers. This side what is there? This is equal symbol. Equal symbol. This is left side. Yes or no? This is left side. And the left side of the equal, you have product of two numbers. The first number is 1558. Product means into. The second number is n. Okay. So the product of two numbers. I have written. Next to what? Okay. Let us write right side numbers now. Right side what you have? LCM into HCM. What is our LCM? 98,154 into HCM is 38.
38.
All of you, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us continue this. Let's continue.
Multiply.
Now you want this n value. You want n value. You want this number only now. You want other number.
A value.
Yes or no? You want other number. You want other number. Yes or no? So you want other number. So if you want this n, then this number side or HS side. Then this side n only left.
Yes,
See, if you want this n value,
sir.
if you want n value, then you can send 1558 right side
Right, sir.
or HS side. Then what will be left this side? N
Right
only.
only.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So let us send 1558 RHS side. This side it is multiplying.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? That side what will happen?
Divide.
Divides. Okay, I am sending. So what is left?
1,005.
What is left? LHS side. N only. Already I sent that number. Okay. What is left? LHS side? N. Okay, right. I am writing here N. N is equal to what is here? What is here? 98,154 into 38.
Minus.
No,
No, divide.
it is multiplying.
Divide.
That side divides
Divide.
by 1558. Okay. Now you can cancel. So you can convert into lowest term. Then you will get answer. Then you will get n value. All of you, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
So you can. Okay, now let us continue this. Have a look after blackboard, all of you. You look. So these are even numbers. Yes or no? These are divisible by 2. Yes or no? These are divisible by 2. Okay, let us divide by 2. Here 15 is there. 2 sevens are 14. 2 sevens are 14. How much is left? 1 is left.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that means here how much? 15. Again 2 sevens are 14. How much is left? 1 is left. Here 18. That means 2 nines are 18. That means 2 779s are 1558. Okay, cancel. It's over. Now let us cancel this. By same number, you should not change the number again. 2 only. Understand? Okay. Here 9 is there. 2 4s are 8. How much is left? 1. That means 18. 2 9s are 18.